Welcome to Lego Media. Sad news coming as Shane Warne suffers injuries in a motorbike accident while riding with his son Jackson in Melbourne. Australian spin great Shane Warne has sustained injuries after a horrific motorbike accident in Australia. The former leg spinner was accompanied by his son Jackson Warne when he fell off the bike and slid for more than 15 meters. Shane Warne visited a hospital the next morning as a precaution to rule out any suspected broken leg or hip damage after the motorbike accident. "I'm a bit battered and bruised and very sore," said Warne after the accident. Warne has avoided serious injury but woke up in the next morning in pain, Lego Media reported. Shane Warne is expected to recover in time and start commentary duties for Fox Cricket during upcoming Ashes series, which starts from December 8th at the Gabba, Brisbane.